Morning for the class children. Welcome to science class. Nana, we have completed the explanation part. Let us go to the textbook exercises. Soil is formed by the process of molting, metamorphosis, volcanic eruption or weathering. The layer of soil that contains humus is a topsoil only. Nana, topsoil lone untundi humus. The next one is nothing but the soil with big particles and a lot of space between them is nothing but the sand. Which of the following is not contained in the soil? Em ledu soil lo mari plastics untaya? No. The organic matter with bits of dead plants and animals, very much important, you have to keep it in your mind, that is humus. Dams are constructed across the rivers. Why they are constructed, Nana, across the rivers? Because to stop floods, check soil erosion, produce electricity, all of these. Then which of the following is not cause of soil erosion? Soil erosion ki endi cause, Nana? Planting more and trees valla emoutundi, not a cause antunnadu. The carrying away of top fertile soil by wind and water is called as what, Nana? Soil erosion. So these all will be giving in the completed, Nana. The next one, the higher order thinking skills. See, Nana, what they are telling, what would happen if soil does not trap in air in it? Animals living in soil die because they use oxygen present in it. ఏమవుతుంది ఒకవేళ మట్టిలో ఉన్న ఆక్సిజన్ లేకపోతే అక్కడ ఉన్న యానిమల్స్ లైక్ సెంటిపీడ్స్ అంటే జెర్రీ, స్మాల్ యానిమల్స్ లైక్ rabbits and some small insects, that all will die. That's why they are telling that if air is not present, definitely all the animals will die, they are telling. Why is sandy soil not fit for crops? Sandy అంటే ఇసుకలో మనం ఎందుకు పెంచలేము క్రాప్స్ అంటే దాంట్లో చాలా పెద్ద స్పేసెస్ ఉంటాయి దాని మధ్యలో, దట్స్ వై దే కెనాట్ హోల్డ్ వాటర్. దెన్ సాయిల్ క్యాన్ బి మేడ్ రిచ్ బై ఎరోజన్? నో, దట్ క్యాన్ బికమ్ వెరీ పూర్ బై erosion. The subsoil is a top layer of the soil? No, it is top layer of the soil is topsoil. Topsoil is a first soil. The next one is all plants grow in the subsoil? No, it grows in the topsoil, Nana. Then strong winds do not erode the soil? False, it will erode అంటే ఒక ప్లేస్కి అది ఎగిరిపోతాయి. Sandy soil is found in seashores? Yes, seashores దగ్గర sandy soil దొరుకుతుంది. Dash is a mixture of sand, clay and humus. Loamy soil. A long time ago there was no soil on the surface of the earth. Dash soil allows water to pass through it easily. Sandy soil because more spaces are there. Plants grow in top layer of soil. Humus is made from the remains of dead plants and animals. Bits of dead plants and animals provide nutrition is nothing but humus, capital letters, because it is unscrambled. And the types of soil made of tiny stones and pebbles, that is nothing but gravel. Next one, it lives in the soil. What will live in the soil, Nana? Mole is a type of animal. The natural agent of soil erosion? Water. Then structures constructed across the rivers is nothing but dams. Next one, match the following. Humus is a dead plants and animals, Nana. Organic matter that nourishes a plant అంటే మనము ఆర్గానిక్గా ఇంట్లోనే ప్రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నది. Loam soil is nothing but the best soil for growing crops. Moisture is nothing but quantity of water in the soil. Clay is nothing but used for making pots and toys, and tetanus is a cut or wound due to the rusted object. This is a project work, Nana. Then this is nothing but the project. Once you read this, we have to take from the internet, that's why I have not given you. So complete this neatly in your textbook, Nana. Thank you.